Good morning, my dear students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to his English environment. I hope this video meets you with the best of your health and spirit. Today we shall discuss a new topic from your English book, Skill of Communicative English, that is the Festival of Northeast India. We shall discuss the whole chapter in 8 episodes. In this video, we will discuss background of the topic, new words and phrases of the first 2 paragraphs, themes of the paragraphs, short answer type questions and their answers, long answer type question and their answer. Students, you know India is regarded as a garland of different flowers. People of different religion, caste, color, creed and traditions are living in India, and they celebrate their unique festivals following their own traditions and customs. We have heard the name of many festivals like Ganesh Puja, Basanta Panchami, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Dasara, Buddha Purnima, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas and Mahavira Jayanti, etc. In this topic, Festival of Northeast India, we will go through some unique festivals of the states of Eastern India in the northern part of India. So without delay, let's start the first paragraph. The Northeast India is a collective name for the easternmost part of India, representing both a geographic and administrative division of the country. The region comprises 8 states, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim and Tripura. The contiguous 7 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and Nagaland are commonly described as land of 7 sisters because of their interdependence on each other. On the other hand, Sikkim is geographically not a contiguous part of the Northeast region. It is separated from the Northeast by Siliguri corridor. So, it is not included in the land of 7 sisters. However, Sikkim has happily taken up the role of being a little brother to the amazing 7 sisters. Now let's discuss the meaning of the new words. Collective name means name of a group, name taken as a whole. For example, United Kingdom is the collective name of England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales. Region means an area of a country having its own customs and government. For example, Koraput is in the southern region of Odisha. Comprises means formed from, consist of. For example, Odisha comprises 30 districts. Now contiguous. It means touching and sharing boundaries with others. Koraput is contiguous to Nabarangpur, Malkangir and Rayagada. Now interdependence means depending on each other. There is a close interdependence between nature and climate. Now corridor, a long narrow strip of land that belongs to the course of an important road. Here it is the Kartarpur corridor of India. Now take up. It is a phrasal verb. It means to occupy. My books will take up 3 shelves. Now amazing. It means wonderful. Your improvement in English is really amazing. Now let's discuss some grammatical item of the paragraph. Collective. It is an adjective. Its noun is collection. Verb, that is collect, and adverb is collectively. Just like administrative, it is an adjective. Its noun form is administration. Verb is administer. Remember, it is not administrate. And adverb is administratively. Now comprise, it is a verb. Its noun form is comprisal, and adjective is comprised. Contiguous, it is an adjective. Its noun form is contiguousness, and adverb is contiguously. Just like the adjective form of geography is geographic. Let's now discuss the substance of the paragraph. Northeast India is a collective name of the easternmost part of India. It represents a separate geographic and administrative division of India. It comprises 8 states. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim and Tripura. Except Sikkim, the other 7 states are combinedly called Land of Seven Sisters. Sikkim has been separated from the Land of Seven Sisters by Siliguri corridor, but it is regarded as a little brother of the wonderful Seven Sisters. Now let's discuss the important short answer type questions. What is the Northeast India? The answer, a collective name for easternmost part of India. Second question, what does the Northeast India represents? Answer, the geographic and administrative division of the country. Now third, how many states does the region of the Northeast India comprise? The answer is 8 states. Fourth question, how is Sikkim separated from the Land of Seven Sisters? The answer is by Siliguri corridor. What role has Sikkim taken up? The answer is the little brother of the Seven Sisters. There is only one long answer type questions here. What is the Land of Seven Sisters? The answer, the Northeast India is a collective name for the easternmost part of India. It represents both a geographic and administrative division of the country. The region consisted of 8 states. Of them, 7 states are contiguous. Sikkim is separated from them by Siliguri corridor. These 7 states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. They are commonly called Land of Seven Sisters. They are interdependent on each other. Now let's move to the second paragraph. The northeastern region of India is a place of diverse culture. The different communities and tribes of Northeast India celebrate their unique festivals with great enthusiasm and joy. Many of these festivals are based on agriculture, and no celebration is complete without traditional music and dance. Diverse means of different kinds. For example, integrity with diversity is the main feature of India. Culture means the habit, tradition, and belief of a country. For example, people of many cultures live in India. And community means a group having the same tradition. For example, Madan is the chief of Paraja community. Unique means remarkable. Raja is a unique festival of Odisha. Enthusiasm means great eagerness. We celebrate Ganesh Puja in our school with great enthusiasm. And tradition means following a method. Paiko dance is a traditional dance of Odisha. The adjective of region, that is regional. The adjective of tribe is tribal. The adjective of agriculture is agricultural. And the adjective of tradition is traditional. Northeast Indian states have a diverse culture. People of different communities and tribes in this region celebrate their unique festivals with great joy and interest. Most of the festivals are based on agriculture. Traditional music and dance are the chief features of these festivals. Now let's discuss the question and answer from the paragraph. What is culture? The answer is the habit, tradition and beliefs of the country. What are many festivals of Northeast India based on? The answer is agriculture. Now third question, what are the two important parts of celebrating the festivals of Northeast India? The answer is traditional music and dance. There is also one long answer type questions here. What are the characteristics of the northeastern region of India? Answer. The northeastern regions of India is a place of diverse culture. The people of different communities and tribes living there celebrate their unique festivals with great zeal and joy. Traditional music and song are the main features of these festivals. So students, next time we will discuss the festivals of Assam. See you next. Stay blessed.